guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with 3 more idiots than myself. Michaela, Kristen, and Emily. And we are going to be baking. So, keep watching. So we're following a website.
Wait, is this still going?
Yeah.
This is gonna end up like very bad.
Why does the butter smell weird?
It's going to end up really good.
Tell me the truth. Did you get that cat to match your hair?
Yes. I wasn't even diagnosed with a ginger until high school, so.
What? Like, diagnosed?
No, a doctor. But he used to call me a ginger until high school. Get out of the gym.
Literally everyone calls you ginger.
Be like, yeah, my hair.
I don't know. Look the red.
We're making cupcakes.
Beat in 1 egg.
So, is there more than one sugar?
No, there's 3/4.
This is my assistant.
I don't know how well this is gonna work.
Sorry, Brat.
Can you hand me a fork from there, please?
0.39.
Okay, fine. I'll just do it. Okay, so she stirred the egg.
Okay, put the egg in.
Why'd you beat it?
What did
Lily
you
started
do
to
to
do
the
it
egg?
first.
Oh, we're not supposed to do
It's
that?
good compared to them. Ew, there's something.
You're kidding me, you dumb. What is?
You have to say something.
Look, I'm in.
You need to put flour, baking powder, and salt.
How much flour? I'll do it. Okay, now I'm gonna move the camera over here.
I'm wearing a braces shirt.
Yeah, you know what the black stuff in here is the stuff from the margarine.
Oh,
It's
the
not
breadcrumbs.
Little extra, like something. Okay, you need to mix together the dry ingredients in a separate bowl.
Oh.
How much flour do we need?
How much? I feel like we need like a cup.
What is this?
Can I add it in?
Okay, it's
No, no, no!
not in here.
So you put sugar and egg, and then half a teaspoon of salt.
Oh.
So how much milk?
Oh, yeah, and then two teaspoons.
Need a cup of milk. Where's the cup?
Great.
And then a tablespoon of vanilla.
2 of those. Is that your third?
Yeah.
It's 2, not 3.
I'm kidding.
You're
What a prankster!
What is this? It's the milk and vanilla.
Coffee.
You add the vanilla into the
Okay.
milk to give it more flavor.
It looks like swamp water.
Can I add it half of this?
Yes.
This one is
Half
two.
of
I'm
it?
gonna help.
I don't know.
That's not even half.
That's fine. Oh my god, that's way more than half.
Ew, this looks gross now.
Being really helpful.
That's always helpful.
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna get it on your phone.
Am I helping?
No, you're not. You're making it worse, actually.
I have a mini cupcake. Who do you think I am? Minute Club. Who are you on your social media? You need a thumbnail. Here, you hold on to this.
Did someone just die? You think I am?
Okay, where did the pan go?
Oh my gosh,
Now, when Grace goes to put butter on her toast, it's gonna taste like fingers.
You know, my fingers taste really good.
Yesterday they were making fun of how I pronounce words.
Yeah, because you say milk instead
Oh my
of
gosh.
milk and bagel instead of bagel.
It is bagel.
And yolk.
Yeah, it is bagel.
No!
Comment down below if you guys say bagel or bagel.
Or milk or
One or
milk.
2.
Okay, move.
Well, she doesn't own spoons.
Move! You, but he didn't add me.
In grade 11?
Do you want me to pretend I'm dating you, Kristen? I have a bigger spoon.
God, yeah, your hands really went in that. Our chefs. It has raw eggs. Okay, don't put either of those spoons back in there.
Oh my goodness, you know when I was like, can I spit my gum out? And he said, yeah, I just spit it. Like right out of my mouth.
On the floor?
Yeah, that's why I was on the floor.
Opening the oven.
Oh my goodness, you don't need to do that here.
Well, I don't want someone to die.
Yeah. Did you set the timer? Okay. Now I think we can turn this
What's
off.
14 divided by 2? Is that 8?
Yeah.
No, it's 7.
No, it's 7.
I love how I
Okay.
just said yeah. Okay, how long did you set the timer for?
I didn't.
What?
I didn't set the timer out.
No, not you, Emily. Set the muffins or the cupcakes in the oven for 14 minutes, so we'll be back when it beeps. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Our cupcakes failed, by the way.
They don't even know what recipe we use.
Anyways, so make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!